If you're thinking about using JTAG Boundary Scan in R&D or production, you need to check out the XJTAG test system. In this short video, I'll show you the benefits of XJTAG and explain why the engineers who already use it rate it so highly. It'll give you the confidence that this test system is the one in which to invest. And at the end, I'll show you how to get your first set of boundary scan tests developed for free. To start, let's think about all the things that give XJTAG such great usability and come as standard. For example, inbuilt diagnostics for the interconnect test are included, helping you to pinpoint faults precisely right down to net, device or pin level. Also coming as standard in XJTAG's development and runtime environments are the integrated layout and schematic viewers. A click in the test output opens the PCB layout and shows you where to find the affected pins or nets, which can really speed up your debug. Right-click on a reference to a device, net or pin, and you'll jump to the schematic with the item highlighted, making it faster to set up tests. These powerful and valuable tools are great at cutting the time spent debugging boards and creating test projects, and are included at no extra cost. Now check out the graphical interface. Its look and feel make the tools so easy to use. In fact, many engineers say the intuitive GUI was one of the reasons they selected XJTAG. When it comes to developing tests, you'll find the automated steps and inbuilt intelligence make it a quick and easy process. Then there's the programming language used to write tests for non-JTAG devices. It's a simple and powerful language, and you've got complete freedom to read and copy model files from the extensive library that comes as standard. This speeds up the creation of new test functions, because you can edit copies of the XJTAG files to make your own custom library files. That's if what you need isn't already there, of course. Most flashes and RAMs and thousands of SPI and I2C devices are already covered. But what if you have a product with several boards that you want to test as a single unit? Again, that's no problem because support for multi-board setups comes as standard. And should you ever need to debug code, the integrated XJTAG development system comes with plenty of features to help, such as breakpoints and the ability to step through the test functions. There's also Waveform Viewer that comes built into the development system as standard. It allows you to see how the code is driving the device's pins relative to each other during successive scans, giving you an easy way to check your tests are working as expected. These integrated tools make the validation and debugging of tests an easy process. Now look at this intuitive graphical representation of your board's JTAG devices. This tool allows you to monitor the pins and to control them with a simple point-and-click interface. It's perfect for your R&D prototype bring-up, as well as debugging faulty boards in production. You can take it as a standalone package or integrate it into other XJTAG software. But what if you've already got a production test executive and want to add boundary scan testing to it? If that's your situation, you'll benefit from the way XJTAG comes with an API for integrating boundary scan tests into bespoke systems or into applications created with third-party software like LabVIEW, TestStand and others. It's also worth mentioning the flexibility that exists with the software license. It can be held in the JTAG controller, allowing you to install the software on multiple PCs and then easily move the controller between them as needed. Or there's also flexible network licensing if that suits you better. On top of that, this all comes with XJTAG's highly praised technical customer support. XJTAG brought its first boundary scan product to market over 25 years ago, and many engineers around the world now benefit from the XJTAG test system. The website carries 100 case studies that testify to satisfied clients across the global electronics industry. Want to learn more and get up and running quickly with Boundary Scan? A great place to start is to join one of our free webinars. As well as learning how Boundary Scan works, you'll be hands-on with our software yourself, using the tools to interact with a board. XJTAG runs regular live workshops, and there's now also an on-demand option in which you run the software on a remote PC. Both options are free to attend. You can also use XJTAG on your own hardware with a free 30-day trial. and our engineers will even set up a full set of boundary scan tests on that board for you without charge. Find out more by visiting xjtag.com to book a webinar, arrange a demonstration, or take a free trial.